Man, I'm never pressed about a bitch whose whole comment section is turned off because all the motherfucking comments is dissing her. Like, what is we talking about? Never had to turn off my motherfucking comments. Ever. Y'all can say whatever the fuck y'all want to say. I don't give a fuck. But obviously other bitches do. And I'm just so confused on why are you so mad at me? I'm not the bitch whose nigga you fucking. And I'm not the bitch fucking your nigga. Why are you so mad at me? Like, damn, over some little petty shit is crazy. It's so crazy. I was really your friend. Bitch, I was really your friend. Right or die. Stood beside you, right or wrong. Right or wrong. And now bitch is so mad at me. But it's okay. Everybody always mad at Brooklyn. I'm always doing something. But if you could fall out with a bitch over some petty ass shit that was never your friend in the first place, clock that. I'm